What is up, sports fans? How are you guys doing? We are live from the worldwide headquarters, and it is time for Big Game Eats. That is right, brought to you by recteq, powered by Kingsford. We are bringing you our very best recipes to get your big game, nothing but touchdowns. So I'm going to pass it on over to my main man, our recteq expert, your barbecue dad, Jody Flanagan.
The most exciting day in sports!
It's game time.
With the best recipes.
The best fuel.
And the best grill.
It's time for the big game
at the recteq.
Thanks for that touchdown pass, Chef John Pinnell. Hello, everyone. Welcome to another episode of Big Game Eats, brought to you by recteq, powered by Kingsford, as Chef John would say. I'm Jody Flanagan, barbecue dad, your recteq expert. And I just moved the camera with that ball, and I just tried not to move the camera with the ball. But thank you so much for tuning in. Make sure you smash that share button. 3, 2, 1,
smash it.
I know all you guys hate that, so I'm going to keep on saying it. But today we are bringing you an amazing recipe. Pow Pow Shrimp, John.
Mm-hmm.
It is not Bang Bang Shrimp.
Now, what's the difference between Bang Bang and Pow Pow?
Well, Bang Bang comes from the famous restaurant. I don't know if I can say it.
But everyone knows it.
Stonefish. It rhymes with stonefish.
Yeah.
It's fried. And dipped in that delicious Bang Bang sauce.
So we're not
Today we're not frying.
We're not frying.
No, we're not frying. We're smoking it on the recteq RT590, burning that Kingsford Classic pellet.
That's what I'm talking about.
You know, the Classic pellet's got some oak in there for some delicious heat, some hickory in there for some smoke, and some delicious cherry for some sweetness to add to that delicious seafood. But Pow Pow Shrimp today. Leave all your hatred, criticism, and comments down below. If you got any questions, we'd love to answer those as well. Chef John Pinnell is going to be asking me any and all of those questions. But thank you so much for tuning in. Now, we had a big weekend of football. Both league champions were crowned.
It's set.
The Tampa Bay Buccaneers beat the Green Bay Packers 31-26. So close. I thought old Green Bay was going to make a run for it.
Old TB.
But the Packers, they dropped too many passes yesterday. Dropped way too many passes. It's not your fault, Aaron Rodgers. It's not your fault.
How did Tom Brady do?
If it touches, shut up, John. If it touches your fingertips, you got to catch the ball, everybody. Sorry about that. But Tom Brady did really well.
Did he do
obviously.
well? Okay.
The Tampa Bay defense did really well, obviously.
Right.
Now it's going to be a record-setting 10th appearance for Mr. Tom Brady this year.
Lord,
congratulations.
can't stop, won't stop.
And it's going to be the first time ever that a team will be playing the big game at their home field.
What?
First time ever.
What?
First time ever. So it's making history.
That's what I'm talking about.
Making history is the history of the Super Bowl. But for those of you that don't know, Big Game Eats is essentially a video series of awesome recipes that you guys can cook while you're home gating and watching the big game. We also kicked off the college football season with our home gating as well. So make sure you subscribe to the Kingsford and recteq YouTube channels for more amazing content. I've also got one out there myself, Jody Flanagan Barbecue Dad. Just search for that, everybody. Yeah. But Pow Pow Shrimp, let's get to it, everybody. They want me to stay within 10 minutes, so I got the clock behind me. It hasn't started yet. John started it right on time last time.
That's right. Right on time last time.
Right on time last time.
Well, Jody, who are your picks, though? You haven't done your picks for the...
Well, I was going to say, I'm a huge hater of Tom Brady. Okay. Yes, everybody. Please put your criticism and hatred of me in the comment section down below. But no, it's a real thing. I am an Atlanta Falcons fan. So I will forever hate Tom Brady in my heart of hearts. I hate to say it, but I will never like a Tom Brady. I will never like a Tom Brady. So Patrick Mahomes is the new GOAT. He is the young goat.
The young goat. Baby goat.
Young goat. The baby goat's playing the lamb.
Yep.
The lamb is playing the older ram.
That's it.
The lamb is playing the ram.
The lamb is playing the ram.
And it's a David and Goliath
battle
type of situation. And I think my boy Patrick Mahomes and the Kansas City Chiefs are going to come out on top by 10.
Oh, by 10.
They're favored by 3. So all you Vegas bettors out there, they're favored by 3.
Jody said by 10.
By 10. Okay, John?
Yes, I
Shout
like
out
it.
to all my Kansas City fans. That's Kansas City, Missouri, John. Not
That's right.
Kansas City, Kansas.
Ah, see?
I knew that. I
See?
learned that
There you
going
go.
to the Kansas City International Speedway.
That's right.
So, all right, we're at 5 minutes. We're taking up way too much time. We
Okay.
need to get on with this. We're doing Pow Pow Shrimp. I'm going to show you guys how to do it in just 10 minutes. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. John, any
Yep.
questions before we start?
No, they're really excited to see this recipe, they said. And there's some hatred in there about you not liking Tom Brady.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Shout out to my buddy Eddie Sherman. He dropped off some beer this weekend at the office. Eddie, thank you so much. This delicious dogfish head Namaste White is
Ooh.
amazing. Thank you, Mr. Eddie. And shout out to the Conica Sausage folks.
Yeah, we had a good time with them.
The boys,
Yeah.
they hung out with us on Friday, so shout out to them as well. All right, let's get to going. What was I going to say, John?
You were going to say start that timer.
Yes, start that timer. All right, count us down.
We're 6, 5, 4, 3,
Oh, cheese and crackers.
2,
Oh,
1.
Go,
Burp,
go.
burp, burp.
All right, we're going to start out with some extra large shrimp. That's right, me and John, we're big boys. We like our shrimp large. Now, I don't know where you're from, but my shrimp does not come peeled and deveined and deturted. So we are going to do that, okay? Why do you want to peel, devein, aka deturred? You want to take out all of the stuff that shrimp ate, okay? That is going to flavor that shrimp. You do not want, I mean, sometimes they eat good stuff, but 9 times out of 10, they ain't gonna eat good stuff. And it's gonna be like a crispity, crunchy, peanut buttery deliciousness in there. No, it's not, it's gonna be nasty. So you wanna devein it. There's a lot of different ways. Some folks will take a fork and go right up the edge right here, like Sherpa likes to do. Me,
that's right.
I'm not a fork guy.
Okay.
I'm a knife guy. Get on in here, Sherpa. And I just do one slice all the way down. Oh God, I'm gonna cut myself.
Don't cut yourself.
Cut all the way down right there, okay? So, first we will peel. And you can leave the tails on if you like. Me, I don't, because I go ham. I go hard when it goes, when I go with my shrimp, okay? We'll take our knife and we'll just go down right there. And then that exposes our vein, okay? And that's, you know, the something system, digestive system of the shrimp.
That's
okay?
exactly right.
So you want to take that out. And we will repeat that process for all of these extra large shrimp. Now, if you can't find extra large shrimp, ladies and gentlemen, it's fine. Use whatever shrimp that you can find. But again, I want a lot of meat with mine. Look at that one. That guy ate some oranges before he passed. So that's awesome, and I'm glad, because I don't like orange flavor with my shrimp, so I'm glad I took that out. Make sure you smash that share button, guys. Give us a like, give us a love. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So that's peeled. Watch this. Peeled and deveined. Easy peasy. Don't overthink it. All right, we're done. Once you do that, you are done prepping your shrimp. Now, let's move it right along. Come on over here, Sherpa. Get on here. Oh, so we've got shrimp here. This recipe is for a dozen shrimp, 12. So we're going to take, oh wait, I need to keep that bowl clean. So we're going to take our shrimp. I'm going to add some sesame oil to it. What is this going to do for us, ladies and gentlemen? This is going to add a little bit of flavor.
Okay.
And it's going to add a little be a little binder for us, okay? Let's smash that share button. Give us a like. Give us a love. 3, 2, 1.
Smash it. Now, Jody, where did you get these shrimp from?
I got these shrimp from our food purveyor, U.S. Foods, but you can most definitely get these from your local grocery store or your butcher. So we're going to season these with some Ben's heifer dust, available at recteq.com, recteq.com. That's going to be the first layer of flavor. We're going to lay ya them flavors, okay? Mix it around. Make sure each and every surface is covered. Hope everybody had a good weekend. Had a good weekend watching those games, man. I'm telling you, all Green Bay had to do is catch a couple passes. That's all they had to do. I'm telling you, Buffalo, oh man, Buffalo, they were playing tough, but they just couldn't fend off
the baby
that
lamb.
Kansas City defense.
That's right, that baby lamb.
That baby lamb took him to school. All right, I like using my recteq stick-resistant cooking mat to cook these shrimp, because I can throw this on my grill, throw the shrimp on it, close the lid, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So I'm going to do that right now. And of course, I've got some in there cooking for y'all, but don't look at those just yet, Sherpa. This is Big Game Eats, brought to you by recteq, powered by Kingsford. Thank you guys for tuning in and hanging out with us.
Time and temp, Jody?
Time and temp. We're gonna cook these at 450 to 500 degrees, just depending on how much time you have. This will take between 5 and 7 minutes to cook those shrimp. Okay, that's all you have to do for shrimp, ladies and gentlemen. How easy is cooking shrimp on the recteq? Especially partnered with those Kingsford pellets, you can't go wrong. Now, we need to make our sauce for our Bang Bang shrimp, okay? We're gonna take a cup. What you looking at? How much time
the
we
timer,
got?
you're doing
How much
great.
time we got?
5:30.
All right, thank you. All right, so we're gonna take a cup of mayonnaise. That's right. This is Blue Plate and Hellman's mayonnaise.
Ooh.
I call it Blue Hellman.
Yeah, I
All right,
like it.
We're gonna take a cup of that, okay? A tablespoon or 2 of your favorite hot sauce. I've got a little bit of that leftover sesame oil. I'll throw that in there. About a 1/4 cup of your favorite chili, sweet Thai chili sauce from the grocery store. The juice from 1 lemon and 1 lime. About a tablespoon of red pepper flakes.
Yeah.
Okay? All of that stuff sounds amazing mixed together, right, Chef
Sure
John?
it does.
Now, if you don't want to use hot sauce, you can actually substitute that recteq barbecue sauce, that spicy gourmet barbecue sauce.
Okay. Is it still Pow Pow with that barbecue sauce?
Absolutely, buddy.
Okay,
That's
okay.
how I live my recteq lifestyle. So we put a little bit of that in there. I will mix it all up. Oh yeah, we're squirting everywhere. Guys, smash that share button. Give us a like. Give us a love. Everybody's freaking out.
Sloshing.
Look at that sauce right there. That looks great. Now, it's not as pretty as I like it, so I'm going to add a little bit. That Ron's Screaming Pig rub. About a tablespoon. Tablespoon or 2. That's going to give us a little bit deeper pink color.
Now, Jody, Hunter Hodge asked
Little
why
speckles.
use 2 different brands of mayonnaise.
Because you don't have to use 2 different brands of mayonnaise. I was just cleaning out the refrigerator. Sorry, everybody. I know I kind of probably confused everybody. But you don't have to mix 2 different brands of mayonnaises. I was just trying to, Dukes will do. Dukes will do you the best, okay? All right, so we've got our sauce ready. Easy peasy. Man, this recipe couldn't be any easier, John.
I'm telling you right now.
Super impressive. You make this, you feed it to your friends and
Yeah.
relatives. They're going to absolutely love it. I promise you. Smash the share button. Give us a like. Give us a love. 3, 2, 1.
Smash it.
All right. So I've got some amazing shrimp already ready for you guys, of course. You know how I do, y'all. Now you can make this is pretty. Oh, wow. Look at those shrimp. Get on in there, Sherpa.
Ooh,
Come around
buddy.
that table and show them the inside of that RT590 with them beautiful. Ow, crap, that's hot.
Cheese and crackers.
Cheese and crackers, that's hot. All right, now stick resistant cooking mat. Make sure you don't burn yourself on it. Oh yeah, and you can see I can transport all of those shrimp at once. I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to pick them up one by one with a pair of tongs or a fork or
Yes,
a
sir.
knife. All of those came in one fell swoop. Again, about 5 to 7 minutes, 450 to 500 in either the 340, 590, 700, 2500, any of those grills will work. Now the bullseye you can do instead of 450, you can do 400 to 450 instead of 450 to 500 because of that more direct flame action. And all of these grills and Kingsford pellets can and are available at recteq.com. Guys, we're running a sale right now. If you purchase an RT340 or an RTB380, you will get $50 off of a Matador or a 45-quart recteq
Yes,
ice cooler.
sir.
You can't go
what
wrong.
I'm talking about.
Sign up for the newsletter at recteq.com, okay? All right, so we got to get these scrimps sauced and pretty.
Now,
But
Jody,
John, go ahead, John.
Kathy Pippin Sheets asked, if you don't have sesame oil or don't like sesame oil, what else can you use?
Yeah, you can use any kind of, any kind of oil that you like, whatever you like. Easy peasy. Don't ever think it, Kathy. So we'll take our sauce. I like to actually set some off to the side. That way I have a little bit for dipping.
Okay.
Little bit for dipping. Okay. There ain't nothing wrong with that. And then we'll throw the rest of these in here. Oh yeah. Get on in there. And we'll toss them. Now you need a bowl like this for any kind of wings
Right.
or tossing any kind of shrimp.
If you don't have a bowl like that, I don't know what you're doing with your life.
Check them out, guys. You need a big old bowl. We call them BFBs around here, big freaking bowls.
Mm-hmm.
All right. We covered it. We got about a minute left. Man, I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it, John.
I'm telling you, it's coming down the last 50 seconds, Jody.
Get some tongs. I want to get them, these ones that are covered. Oh, yeah. But easy peasy. Took about 5 to 7 minutes to cook. Took about 7 to 10 minutes to prep. Don't overthink it. Pow Pow Shrimp. These are not fried. These are smoked in the RT590.
It's going to be perfect for the big game, Jody.
I'm telling you, this is a showstopper. Guys, if you want to bring the ladies over, you want to impress them, you know ladies love shrimp.
You know they do.
You know they love seafood.
Love it.
So we're going to bring Seafood Week to you all week long. Some of our favorite seafood recipes. Climaxing with crab legs for Fun Day Friday.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Man, I am a master, a magician. I have done it again. I can't believe how I've cooked this meal from start to finish, front to back, left to right, in only 10 minutes allotted time. Cheese and crackers. I should be the victor of the big game.
You really should, Jody. You're killing it right
Pow
now.
Pow Shrimp. You can't go wrong with it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. It's got my dad, barbecue dad, seal of approval. Now, take it over the top, okay? I don't just have normal sesame seeds.
No.
Okay? I've got interracial sesame seeds. That's
Yeah,
right. I've got
yeah.
black and white sesame seeds.
Biracial sesame.
Biracial sesame seeds. We're going to mix them up.
Ebony and ivory go together in perfect harmony. Now
That'll be Charlie.
piano.
All right. And then we'll top it with a little bit, because they're Pow Pow shrimps. We'll hit it with a little bit of serrano peppers here.
Oh, yeah.
Give it just a little bit of color, a little bit of pop. Again, I'm trying to impress the ladies or the men in our life, or the guy or the dudes that are coming over for the big game.
That's right.
Hit it
Showing
with
that
a little bit
finesse
of
right there, Jody.
cilantro. Bam! All right, everybody. Pow Pow Shrimp, can't go wrong. Make sure you subscribe to the Kingsford and recteq YouTube channels. Why? Because we got a lot of amazing content coming up all throughout the year. Baseball season's coming up.
Oh, that's your favorite.
That's my favorite.
That's his fave.
We got NASCAR. We got
Oh, yeah.
we got basketball.
Yeah.
We got soccer. We got
yeah.
all the other sports.
And I don't mean to
NBA.
I don't mean to talk out of class, but I think I heard about me maybe going to some NASCAR events.
We may be going to some NASCAR events.
That's,
I don't know.
I mean, I just maybe I heard some birds talking.
I don't know. Guys, make sure you smash that share button. Give us a like, give us love. I'm Jody Flanagan, Barbecue Dad. This show has been brought to you by recteq, powered by Kingsford. If you want more amazing recipes, subscribe to the Kingsford and recteq's YouTube channel. From everybody here at recteq's worldwide headquarters in beautiful Evans, Georgia, I'm Jody Flanagan, and we will see you
At the recteq. Do, do, do. Do, do, do. Do, do, do.
Hey, John.
recteq lifestyle. Set it and come get it. When the sun starts going down, live your life the way you like. It's recteq.